Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Forte Paddington, an intimate and highly sought after gated complex located in the middle of Kingston 6. Gleaming with desirability and exclusivity. Residents of 51 Paddington can always boast of being one of only 7 privileged owners. Personalize this over 3,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouse, plus private helpers' quarters with your unique touch and come home to Kingston 6 living at its finest. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.